How to fix if Microsoft Authenticator app is not showing code. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Microsoft Authenticator app is not showing code. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply launch the Microsoft Authenticator app, and if you're not able to see the code over here, you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you gotta click on check for notifications. So if it brings a pop-up of no notifications found, you're going to click on OK, and then you're going to go to settings. Over here, you're going to search for date and time. So this is basically in general date and time. And then you're going to make sure that the date and time has been set to automatically. See if the toggle button is green. Then you're going to go back and simply search for storage. So I'm going to type in storage over here, and then you're going to click on iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to search for the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you're not able to find in the list, you're going to simply search for it over here. Microsoft Authenticator, simply type that down over here, or you can simply click on this, last used, click on Authenticator, and then you're going to click on Offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keeping its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate the data. So you're going to simply click on Reinstall app after that. And once done, when you launch the Microsoft Authenticator app and log in with your credentials, you'll be able to see that the issue has been fixed. So that is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.